spooky ghost for the front door.
Yeah, we is.
We need 3 sticks and 2 circles. I got the 3 sticks.
I made this.
That's the head?
Yes.
Alright guys, it's the final piece. It'll look like a ghost when you put the sheets on. This is the one with my sister made. Now I'm trying to put the sheets on. This is my mommy fixing the ghost. But look how spooky it looks. We have one more step. I have a small block that I'm gonna make some faces. These are his eyes. And this is his eyebrows.
These are our ghosts. I'm the ghost. We do wait our ghosts.
Once again, thanks for watching, bye.